This is a video on how to install the bobbin and thread up a Singer Simple. So what you want to make sure that you're doing when you're putting your bobbin in the bobbin holder is you want to make sure that your bobbin is being put in, if you're holding the bobbin facing up, put in, and when you pull that the thread through, pull it through the tensioner. When you are pulling on the thread, you want to make sure that it is unwinding, that is pulling out counterclockwise. Okay, so if it's put in the other way, like this, you can see it's unwinding clockwise, which is incorrect. That will cause problems. So make sure that it is installed so that when you are pulling it and it's facing up, it is unwinding counterclockwise. And then go ahead and install it into your bobbin, your hook assembly. All right. What's important here is, let me reinstall this, is when you're taking your upper thread, you can pop it through here, then you're going to pull it through here, and there's a little disc that kind of keeps that thread tight up against here. And then you want to make sure your presser foot is up, because your tension discs are going to be open in that case, kind of like this. And if they're closed, which means if your presser foot's down, your tension disc will be closed. It's possible for the thread to go on the outside. It's hard to do, but it's possible. So make sure your presser foot is up, then bring your thread down through your tension disc, which is located right here. You can kind of see it. Then you're going to come down and around, over around your take-up lever, and then down to the bottom here, through the hook, and then through your needle. And then you're going to rotate your hand wheel and pull up the needle thread until it grabs the bobbin thread. Okay, and you're good to go. Thanks. Hope this helps.